Mistplay only tracks playtime if the game was installed through its app, and the right permissions stay enabled the whole time you play. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why your playtime isn't registering, and how to fix it fast. The biggest reason this happens is install source. If you downloaded the game directly from the Google Play Store instead of through Mistplay, Mistplay usually can't track it. The app creates a unique tracking link during installation. Without that link, your gameplay may count for nothing. If that happened, uninstall the game. Then reopen Mistplay and install it directly from your game offers page. That reconnects the tracking. Next, check usage access. Go to Settings Apps, Special Access, Usage Access. Find Mistplay and make sure it's turned on. This permission lets Mistplay measure how long the game stays active on your screen. If it's off, playtime won't register at all. Now check battery settings. Many Android devices put apps to sleep in the background. If Mistplay gets paused while you're gaming, it can stop counting. Go to Settings, Battery Optimization, and set Mistplay to unrestricted. That keeps the app alive longer. Internet matters too. Mistplay tracks locally, but it still needs a connection to sync your session. If your network drops during or after gameplay, your time may not upload. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and reopen the app after your session. That forces a sync. Another thing that breaks tracking is VPNs or ad blockers. Mistplay uses your device and network data to verify sessions. VPNs, private DNs, or firewall apps can interfere with that. Turn them off before playing. Also, make sure the game is still listed under your active games. If the campaign expired, new playtime may stop counting, even if the game still works. That's easy to miss. If everything looks right, clear Mistplay's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This resets temporary sync files without deleting your account. So the main fixes are simple. Install through Mistplay, enable usage access, and disable battery restrictions. Start with the install source first because that causes playtime tracking failures more than anything else. If your sessions still don't show up after that, contact Mistplay support with screenshots of your active game and recent playtime. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.